Hi, here are last few practices that are necessary for on-page SEO. First is internal links. Let's say you are sharing some information, but only a brief part, not detailed. But you do have detailed information in another blog post. You have to take that link, place this inside that paragraph, and let your readers know that you do have detailed information about that in another blog post. That's called internal links. Then you do have external links. External links are of two types. One is do follow, other is no follow. If you do follow a backlink, it will give the other website a backlink. And if you do no follow, it will help to readers to explore more about that specific topic but without any giving backlinks. Additionally, you can backlink your YouTube channel, social media accounts, or your another website. Internal links from other pages. Let's say you are sharing something or you're using word that you do have another blog post about it. You can mention your post in that pages and that pages in your post. In this way you can interlink your pages and rank higher in Google. Last but not least, relevant schema markup. Relevant schema markup is necessary for your readers or customers to make a converting reader for you. Let's say you have a product and it shows reviews, price, and other stuff in Google search. People are more likely to click on your website instead of without having any schema markup. So schema markup boosts traffic from Google. So you should have schema markup on your website. Here are a few examples about it.